This is Mark Wable with Transwest Truck, Trailer, and RV in Belton, Missouri. Today we're going to look at a brand new 2022 Newmar Dutch Star 4369 that we just got in. As you saw from the starter video Katie took outside, it's a custom color graphics coach, light with white and blue. Real striking coach, really something different that you're not going to see every day from a Newmar. But today what we're going to do is just kind of walk through. It's kind of our traditional 4369, obviously Newmar's best-selling coach, you know, with opposing seating, bath and a half, dual vanity in the back, without question, Newmar's kind of flagship design, full wall slide throughout. So, but we're going to start up front. This one's built on a Spartan chassis. Got the 450 horsepower Cummins. This one, my manager, I think, checked all the boxes on this. It's got an MSRP north of $653. So we've got the OmniView 360 cameras, on-guard collision system by Spartan. Again, a little bit more. We got the Wiley decor on the inside, the toffee glazed maple cabinetry. A real striking coach with the contrast with the darker floor, lighter furniture, and the more natural wood look. Huge seats up front. As always, got the oversized captain's chair. These chairs get more and more comfy every year. One thing I did want to point out real quick was the 360 camera. I love that option. Whenever I'm driving one of these coaches, I always have that 360 camera available. Even though you use your mirrors most of the time, you know, it's just nice to have that, and it's also amazingly helpful when you're parking one of these. Have our control center up top with the HVAC, the AGS system, slide controls. Big, this has got the big Girard Nova awning option with the two awnings on the sides. You can control that from there or from the remote. This one comes with theater seating across from the sofa with a booth dinette. We've got the pop-up televator. Beautiful thing about Newmar is you just hit that once, it comes up. Back here in the kitchen, got our pull-out countertop. And again, just to reiterate, you look at the list of options on this coach, and you can click on the link below to go to our window sticker off our website and see all the options. But this is almost $100,000 worth of options. Just amazing. Newmar has their induction cooktop, the true induction, that you can take out, plug in outside. This one has the dishwasher. Got our double bowl sink. Kitchen window, we have all the blinds drawn today. Pretty hot out here, close to 90 degrees, but we've got the generator going and the AC's on. It's extremely comfortable in here, and we just turned them on. I mean, the great thing with Newmar's 16-inch on center construction and the batten insulation and the foam. These coaches are so quiet, so well insulated. They heat and cool so quickly. This one's got the heated floors. You know, a lot of people I've heard, even on a day like today when the ACs are blowing out 60 degrees, still will kick their floor heat on low setting so that the tile is not super cold. Just those little things, if you're going to walk around barefoot in a coach, that people do. As we move through again, furniture's spectacular. I was trying out the theater seats earlier on. We've got the Whirlpool residential fridge with the pantry. We just got this in, so we haven't even gone through and cleaned everything out of it. Nice big chest freezer down here, ice maker, and then we have our outside freezer in one of our in the first bay. Huge pantry. They've got the secure lock latch so that you have to make sure that it won't come out when you're going down, hopefully, but lit up makes a big difference. Back in there. Our half bath. Just great colors throughout this entire coach. Then back to the bedroom. King size air bed. Plenty of space for additional. You've got the big closet with any 4369 in the back, but then we've got our two wards up here with additional space for hanging clothes. Nice big Samsung TV. And then what I find most when I'm dealing with my customers, the thing that really sets the 4369 apart, you can just spin around, I don't need to go in there, is they love the size of the bathroom. You know, in some of the bunk models you just don't get as much space, but with this one, that double vanity just gives somebody so much more space. You know, it's almost like an additional 3 feet that you as the buyer has. And if you want space, you want the big shower, you know, it's not quite a walk-in closet, but there's so much space, and this one's got tons of drawers in the back. You just don't get this form and functionality in any other coach. Then as always, the huge shower. You can get in, twist around, not touch the sides. It's just everything that you want out of a Newmar. Amazing package. Sharp coach. So now if there's anything that I haven't hit on that you would like more in depth, I'd love to sit down and put together a private time to FaceTime with you, go through the coach, answer any questions you have. Obviously Newmar's website's got a ton of information, but if there's anything that you specifically want to see on this particular unit, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Again, my name is Mark, M-A-R-C, and my direct line is 816-446-9799. Again, 816-446-9799. I'd be happy to answer any questions you have. You know, I was just doing a FaceTime with a customer from over in St. Louis today. You know, we love doing those things if you're really interested in a coach, because we know a lot of times we sell to people all over the country. Very rarely do we sell to local folks here in the Kansas City area, and we try to really present the coaches as they are. We don't like surprises when people show up for delivery, and for the most part we don't have that issue. So if there's ever anything I can do, additional information, I would be more than happy to help you out. Thank you so much.